Bars on my bass and I'm counting. But you just showed up and how you feel is your mountain.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. It's morning right now, that's why I'm saying good morning. I don't know what time you're watching this video, so good morning, good afternoon, good evening. It depends on when you're watching my video. I literally just woke up. It's Wednesday. I literally just woke up and the time is about past 8 or so. I have quite a number of things to do today. I'm going for a movie premiere with Lillian later on. Why do I feel like I'm talking too fast? Let me slow down. I'm going for a movie premiere with Lillian later today at IMAX. And right now I'm struggling to remember the name of the movie. I really cannot remember. But I know, I'm sure I'll mention it like later on in this vlog. But right now I want to eat because I woke up really hungry. I didn't really eat last night. So I woke up hungry and the only thing I have in my head to make now is pancakes and eggs. I haven't had those in a while. There was the time I used to have pancake and egg like almost every time when I first learned it. But in the last couple of months, like 2-3 months, it has slowed down. I don't know. But this morning I'm going to make some of that for myself. I have to go and get my nails done finally. It's been over 2-3 weeks at this point. And this is someone that likes to fix her nails like back to back. But I just need to let my nails like rest. Today I'm going to fix and I'm excited about that. I might do pedicure too because my legs be looking some type of way that I don't like. So I'm going to do that as well. And wait for Lillian to come because she's coming to my house. I think she's coming like maybe around 2-3. Because she said she's going to the gym this morning, so maybe around 2-3 then she'll come. But now let me just make food to eat in my stomach. I'm hungry. So I'm in the kitchen, by the way. I have pancakes this time, Hungry Jack. Then I'm going to be using 2 eggs and powdered milk. I don't know if I will use powdered milk or maybe I should just use powdered milk. Use powdered milk and yeah. Breakfast is served. This is your sign to get yourself pancakes and eggs this morning. If you're watching this video in the morning, this is your sign to make yourself pancakes and eggs. So I'm going to eat this now while I watch something on TV. So let's eat. Come and join me if you can.
That I have no conviction because the person who died.
I am all set, ready to go out for my nail appointment. It's almost 10:30. Yo, it's almost 11 actually, and I'm going somewhere first before I go to my nail appointment. I'm not going to be vlogging that, so you guys will see me when I get to the nail salon. I want to get my pedicure done and my nails. I want to just finish everything so that I can be back in time for my event this evening. So see you guys, let's go. Before I play that, where am I going to take, straight or left? Let me go straight. You can see me coming, bro.
That is stressing me out. Since she came here and I've not done anything. Ask me why.
Hi guys, this is Lillian and everything she just said now is a lie.
Have I done anything? You came in here when I was in my brows.
She's filming.
I'm doing a get ready with me, but this girl don't let me get ready.
Say hi.
You're rude though. Say hi to who?
My peeps.
Who are your peeps? I'm not full for your peeps.
So guys, we're on our way and I'm with a criminal. Because she looks like a criminal today. Say hi.
Hey yo.
These
lights are actually not the wait, I have lights. I can't see your light.
How do we look? I was not able to show you guys my full fit because we don't have lights in my house. But when we get to the event, I'm gonna do that for you guys.
So this is what we look like actually. guys like my nails though?
We are doing. They don't like it.
We do actually.
Because you don't greet them. Greet them now.
Hi guys.
Now show them your nails.
Do you like my nails?
I was able to do my own nails, so you guys. I told you I was going to do my nails.
There was a lot of people out there.
Like when I got there, I knew I couldn't wait because the people there, the lineup. But anyway, we're gonna slay still. So we're on our way, guys. See you when we get there. Peace out.
I don't have shame. I will beg. Stop! I will beg you.
Guys, we're here.
Deadpool and
Wolverine.
What's in my one?
I love
I'm Team Wolverine actually, but I'm rocking Deadpool's outfit right now.
Talk one by one. Okay,
One
go.
by one.
I'll
go first.
Yeah, go first.
Wolverine, because Wolverine is what's his name again? I've forgotten his name. Jesus Christ.
It's not Jesus Christ, obviously.
I've forgotten his name of the person that plays Wolverine. Hugh Jackman, yes.
Yeah,
And he sings. I love him for that.
Wait, he
Greatest showman. You know that he sings?
Oh yeah,
Greatest
oh
showman
my
now.
god, I'm so sorry. Guys, my head is
I've known him
everywhere.
since I was in primary school.
Guys,
Love
I'm
him.
supporting Wolverine, but I'm rocking Deadpool's outfit tonight.
He's a newcomer. He's a newcomer in my own state at least.
So we're gonna have
I'm
fun
loyal.
tonight. We're gonna have fun tonight.
Nah, I guess.
Everybody needs somebody, yeah. And you got me. You know that I know that you know that I'll be there for the highs and lows. Keep in mind if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be there. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up. I will be there. When your heart begins to break, it's too broken to be open. I'll be patient, I will wait till you're ready to be open. Everybody needs somebody, yeah. And you got me. You know that I know that you know that I'll be there for the highs and lows. Keep in mind if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone.
Just the yellow pipe.
Oh, somebody wants to see my yellow pants.
Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen.
Let's go.
Shut. The Wolverine in me will come out. Something like that. But anyway, I am hanging out with the most fabulous divas in the building tonight.
Let's go.
Sweet girls. We got Storm. This black wing, she's Catwoman. And then the one in my sexy corset, she's the female Cyclops.
Yes,
And guess what? They all have superpowers.
Yeah.
They are superhumans, aka super women with superpowers, ready to take on the world. Any man will enter their corner, go hear am. You know, all they have to do is tell the man, give me money, and he will stop them. You know where that is coming from.
Everybody needs somebody, yeah. And you got me. You know that I know that you know that I'll be there for the highs and lows. Keep in mind if your heart gets broke. By your side when you're all alone, I will be there. When you're down and down on your luck, things got tough and you've had enough. When you fall down, I'ma pick you up.
I don't wanna be your in this.
Guys, the weather is so hot. It's so hot. I don't even know what point the sun is trying to make. And to think that this morning it was looking like it was going to rain. Anyway, if you have not seen that movie, today is 26th. I think today is the release date. Today is the day they are going to start showing it in the cinemas. Please watch that movie. I've told Lillian we're going to watch it again because I totally enjoyed it, and I just want to like watch it again. I've done my nails now, as you guys can see. This is like the longest nails I've done in a while. I've not done nails as long as this before, and I'm thinking I don't know if I should make it remain like this or I should cut it. I'm thinking. I have breakouts, guys. See my face, like how? See, I have terrible breakouts. I've just left it at this point because I can't be bothered. I'm going to end this vlog here today. I want to go and look for something to eat because it's already almost 4 p.m. I've been out of the house today since like 1 actually. So I want to look for something to eat now, and yeah, I'm going to end this vlog here. I'm starting another one on Sunday. Watch out the vlog that is coming up next. You guys are going to enjoy it. It's a fun vlog. Please let your friends know about this channel. Give this video a thumbs up, drop your comments. This one was a fun one. This vlog was a fun one. See, it's hunger that is talking, guys. Let me just go and find something to eat and I'll be all right. So I'll see you guys in my next video, which will be sometime next week. Bye.